Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the fee structure of the private colleges of UP. So this is one of the much awaited notification for the fee structure of UP private colleges. In this video, we are going to talk about the fee structure for clinical and non-clinical branches for all the private colleges. We are going to talk about the hostel fee and one-time security deposit that will have that you need to pay in the first year only, and then many miscellaneous fee to be paid each year. Okay, so there are totally, you can see, list of 14 private colleges. Okay, and UP is a state where you can get good branches in your low rank also within the reasonable budget. Okay, so this time UP government has reduced the fee structure for private colleges, and they have also reduced the hostel fee. Earlier it used to be 7-8 lakhs, 6 lakhs for some of the colleges. Now first we will talk about the fee structure for non-AC single occupancy hostel room. The fee is 2.5 lakhs, and for AC single occupancy it's 3 lakhs per annum. For non-AC double occupancy room, the fee is 1.7 lakhs per annum for each candidate, and for AC double occupancy, the fee is 2.10 lakh. Mess charge is included, so living cost plus your mess charge, including both, the fee is 2.5 lakhs on average for single occupancy non-AC. The security deposit you need to pay, including hostel, library, laboratory and all other security charges. It will be 5 lakhs one time in the first year only you need to pay. Okay, and miscellaneous charges that you need to be paid each year is 1.2 lakhs. Okay, apart from these hostel fee, security deposit and miscellaneous fee need to be paid per year. Now we will talk about the fee of the private colleges. Hind Institute of Medical Science. Okay, for this one, the for clinical branches fee is 24.37 lakhs, and for pathology is 13.12 lakh. For other non-clinical branches 9.37. Rohilkhand Medical College and Hospital, Bareilly, the fee for clinical is 22.17. For non-clinical pathology 1.94, around 12 lakhs, and for other non-clinical branches 8.52. Sri Ram Murthy Smarak Institute of Medical Science, Bareilly, the fee for clinical is 24.84, and for non-clinical is 13.37. Non-clinical other branches is around 9.55. Saraswati Institute of Medical Science, Hapur, so the fee is 19.13 for clinical branches, and for non-clinical pathology 10.3 lakhs per annum. For other non-clinical branches is 8 lakhs. Similarly, for Muzaffarnagar Medical College, Muzaffarnagar, the fee for clinical branches is 22.71, and for non-clinical you can see is 12.323, and other non-clinical 8.73. The School of Medical Science, Sharda University, that is in Greater Noida, and this college is near New Delhi. So candidates coming from New Delhi prefer this college due to less travel distance. So the fee is 24 lakhs, and for non-clinical pathology fee is around 13 lakhs, and other non-clinical branches the fee is 9 lakhs 23,000. Subharthi Medical College, the fee is very less and is 13.36. So expecting the cutoff will go high for this college. And for pathology the fee is 10 lakhs, and other non-clinical branches is 8 lakhs. So this is the branch has list fee in UP. This is the medical college which has list fee in UP. And then comes Rama Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Kanpur. The fee is 14.30 for clinical, and for non-clinical pathology the fee is 11.91 lakhs. Other non-clinical branches the fee would be 8.5. Okay, T.S. Mishra Medical College, Hospital, Lucknow, they have not defined the fee for clinical branches, but for non-clinical you can see it's 10 lakhs for pathology and 8 lakhs for other non-clinical branches. Heritage Institute of Science, that is in Varanasi. It's a very nice place. It's the cultural capital of India. The fee for clinical branches is 14.30 lakhs, and for non-clinical 10 lakhs per annum, and for other non-clinical like other than pathology is 8 lakhs per annum. Rama Medical College Hospital Research Institute Hapur, the fee is 14.3 lakhs for clinical. Hind Institute of Medical Science Sitapur, the fee is 14.3. And then for all these three, Mayo Institute of Medical Science and Rajshri Medical College Bareilly. So Hind, Mayo and Rajshri, Rama Medical College Hospital and Research Center for like from 10 to 14. For all medical colleges, the fee for clinical branches is 14.30 lakhs, and for pathology is 10 lakhs. For non-clinical branches other than pathology is 8 lakhs per annum. So you can see it's very good news that fee has been reduced for many private colleges in the UP state, and hope people have most of the people candidates have registered for the UP state, because it's going to be very good opportunity for them. And parallelly the online registration is going on for Karnataka state. So these two states, UP and Karnataka, is well known for low budget private colleges, and these are the states where you can get good branches, good trade in low rank also. So good luck. If you find any kind of if you have any kind of question related to this branch, any branch fee in any medical college of UP, you can ask us the question. We have given the contact number in the description. If you like the video, like it, subscribe the channel and click on the bell button so that you can get notification for the upcoming updates about NEET PG for state and MCC. So until then, goodbye.